What's up guys, it's me or Jimmy again. So here is the Nubia Z11, my favorite phone of all time. I'm a huge fan of Nubia Z11. So here is a soft TPU silicone case with a African style pattern. I mean, look at it. I mean, from the front, as you can see. I mean, look at it. Look at the beauty of it. I mean, look at it. Wow. I mean, this is a very thin case and I really love it. To be honest with you, when I say something I really love it, then literally I mean I love it. Jimmy Geek is quite happy with the case. I mean, very soft in the hand. At the end of the day, can I recommend it? Definitely yes. It was me, Jimmy Geek. Check out the links in the description box below. Bye.